Okay. This one here, I want you to find or have at least one equation that says y equals or x equals. If that's the case, I want you to mentally make a note card. Okay? And on that note card, I want you to write the variable that has an equivalent to another thing. Is there an equation that has a variable by itself? Yes, there is, of course, right? It's y equals. So you're going to make mentally a note card that says y on one side. And on the flip side, it is the same note card. So I want you to tell me what y is the same as. Y is the same as 1.5x minus 10, isn't it? Isn't that what that equal sign really means? It means is the same as. Okay? So what you're going to do is take this mental note card and use it in the other equation. So you're going to, again, wherever you see a y in that equation, you're going to take it out and substitute it, substitution, you're going to substitute it for the y. So rewrite that first equation, but can you please do it like this? X plus, and you're not allowed to write a y anymore, equals 0. What are we going to put in those parentheses? Well, it was a y, right? It was x plus y equals 0. What are we going to put in its place? Okay?
1.5x minus 10.
Take the note card away, because now you don't need it anymore. You just did it's called substitution. Now let's solve it. What do we have to distribute into the parentheses? A 1, right? There's nothing right here. So I could really take the parentheses away. If you understand this, you probably don't have to do this step, but I'm doing it just because sometimes you will have to distribute. Okay? Now, because the x's are on the same side of the equation, I can combine them. What's x plus 1.5x?
2.5x.
2.5x minus 10 equals 0. Solve this for x. Say it if you know it. Add 10. 2.5x equals 10. So what does x equal? What do I have to do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.5. And what do we get? 4. Guys, the answer key's right here. We already know what our answer is going to be, right? 4. But now what you just did is you created a new note card. Now it's a lot easier than y and this is a pretty complex note card, right? Y is the same as this. This is nasty. This note card would be real easy. On one side of the note card is an x, and what's on the flip side?
4.
A 4. So take this and plug it into your note card from the first time. I shouldn't have written my arrow there. I should have written it right there. Because now I'm going to rewrite this equation, but I can't write an x. What am I going to put in its place? 4. Y equals 1.5. Parentheses, always when you do a substitution, 4 minus 10. That's 6 minus 10. What do I get? Y equals negative 4. So what's the solution? X is 4, y is negative 4. Same answer, different methods.